everyone, welcome back. I'm Domingos. I'm also known as DMA and appreciate that I'm called DMA. Today we have this problem on some radicals to solve. Okay, we have square root of 2 plus square root of 3 times 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 3 times square root of 2 plus, the same. I'm even tired. So what's going to be the approach that we can apply to solve this problem? Not necessarily every problem in maths we have to start solving from the left side to the right side, not necessarily. We have always to start by the place whereby we see it's weak for us to solve, to break it down. Okay, so in this case we're going to start, instead of starting from left to right, we're going to start from right to left. Because why that? If we look, our two last radicals, they are quite the same, but they have different signs here. Here we have negative and here we have a positive. Okay, so we can remember ourselves that a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b, which is known as the difference of 2 squared, right? So if we multiply this expression, we will keep the radical, so the square, we will keep the square, and then we will multiply the in expression. Okay, so that means this expression will be our a, so our a here, and the whole this expression will be our b, so b here, and we have here. Okay, so this is my a, and this expression will be our b. So if we apply this principle here, we're going to have 2 plus square root of 3 times square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 3. So if we apply this principle, we will keep the main square root, and then we're going to have a squared minus b squared. So my a is 2, so we're going to have 2 squared minus b squared, but b has a square root, so we're going to have 2 plus square root of 3 this squared. Okay. Since this is all positive, so that means there is a square root of this expression and it's a positive number. Okay, so that satisfies the condition of a square root of a number. Okay, so we can simply simplify then the exponent with the index. And 2 squared will be 4. Okay, so this negative now will enter this expression. No, will multiply. So we're going to have square root of 2 plus square root of 3 times square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 3. Okay, times this expression is 4 when the negative enters, because this square root now was eliminated with this 2. Now, when it enters, becomes negative 2. So 4 minus 2 will be 2. This negative enters, it becomes 2 plus square root of 3. Square root of 2 plus square root of 3. Again, those two, they have plus and minus. We can apply this principle. So we're going to have square root of 2 plus square root of 3 times a squared, which is our 2 squared, minus square root of 2 plus square root of 3 squared. Okay. So this is going to be equal to 2 plus square root of 3 times 2 squared is 4. This simplify, minus 2 plus square root of 3. Okay, so this negative enters, we're going to have square root of 2 plus square root of 3 times, this enters, negative 2, so 4 minus 2 is 2, this enters, negative square root of 3. Okay, so now it's the same, we can still apply, so we're going to keep the main square root, so it will be 2 squared minus square root of 3 squared. So we can simplify, so 4 minus 3. So we're going to have square root of 4 minus 3, which is equal to square root of 1, which is equal to 1. So that means the solution for this problem is simply 1. Okay. So if you enjoy, leave your like, your comment, subscribe, and most importantly, share with your friends.